Hello, good day, everyone. I trust we are all doing well. So today I made a video about accessing the application portal. That means creating an account and accessing it and resetting your password for the first time. And secondly, I will also help those who had login issue by making this video. This video is here to address first of all how to create an account, how to reset your password for the first time, and secondly, I'll take time to go through the different portals or the different buttons on the application website. First of all, to get to the website, you have to enter this address, which is UM6P, umcp.ma/en, umcp.ma/en, which is in English/apply. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a particular page. On this page, you'll find the button to create my candidate account and also sign into candidate portal. The address will be put in the description of this video. So create my candidate account is what we need right now. So we click on create my candidate account. Immediately you click on it, the page will be automatically by default be displayed in French because we are in a French country or Morocco is a French country. But they have given you option to display it in English. So you click on the British flag. After clicking on the British flag, you have the option to type your first name, your last name, your email address, your country of residence, your ID card number. So, for example, imagine that I'm the one doing the application. I type my first name, which is Samuel. My last name is Gyasi, and I have middle name, but did not give you the option to type middle name. So they have given the option to type a lot of first names. So if you have middle name, you add it. So, for example, my middle name is Kobina. Then you enter your mobile phone number, which is respective to you. Your country of residence, by default, it will be Morocco, but you have to change it depending on the country that you are living in at the moment. So, for example, in Ghana, so we choose Ghana. Then they will ask you for the country of residence, you have to choose Ghana. So, you choose from the options. They will ask you for an ID card number. So, for example, I have an ID card with this number 026193Q. So I type my ID card number. Then they will ask you, what cycle are you applying for? So there are three cycles, which is post-bac, masters, and engineering. Post-bac is talking about undergraduate degree. Masters is talking about normal masters we know in our various countries. And engineering is talking about an engineering cycle, which is 5-year cycle. So most of us I know will be applying for the undergraduate or master. So undergraduate, you choose post-bac. Masters, you choose master. So after choosing master, they will ask you, how did you learn about UM6P? Most of you heard about UM6P through a word of mouth, which is somebody told you about UM6P, one of the ambassadors, someone like me or any other person, uh, just told you about UM6P. So you choose word of mouth, then you say, you take this one, which is, I have read and accept the terms and conditions. The terms and conditions are things which are common to us. Then after that, you click on this green button to create an account. So immediately you click on the green button, they will send you, they will tell you that your account has been successfully created. So for you to log in into the account, you have to access your email because they have sent you a mail, which is having the login details. So for example, I am accessing my mail to get the login details. So immediately I came here, I see UM6P admission. So I click on UM6P admissions. Then they will say, hello, Samuel Kobina Gyasi. Hello, Samuel Kobina Gyasi. This is my username. So they have given my username and they have given a list of instructions for me to make my connection. So you click on this portal link here to send you to the portal link. So immediately you click on this, it will bring you to the login page. When you come to the login page, it will automatically displayed in French at the same time English. So for you to connect, you click on this button here. Always follow my cursor. Stay connected. So when you click on stay connected, they will ask you to enter your username. My username here is my ID card number, which is what I typed when I was putting my ID card number. Then they will ask me for my password. Since it's my first time logging in, I have to click on this one, this button here, this hash button here, which say Premier connexion ou bien mot de passe oublié. So when I click on this, they will ask me to enter my address mail, which I have to enter my address mail. Because I'm logging in for the first time, they would like to reset the password, so I have to type in my address mail. After typing my address mail, I click on the button. I'm not a robot, which is je ne suis pas un robot. After that, you click on this orange button, which basically means send. So which means envoyer. So when I click on this, they have written this email on the green button here that an email has been sent to reset my password. So I go back to my mailbox. When I come to my mailbox, they've sent me a mail which is saying that I can change my password within the next 15 minutes. It's in French, you don't understand. So you just said they said I can change it within the next 15 minutes. So you click on this green button to change or initialize your password. So when I click on this green button, it will redirect me to a particular page. When I come to the page, the first thing they said is that nouveau mot de passe. What that means, your new password. So I imagine that I want to type a password which says that Samuel. My password is simply Samuel. Samuel to in which year 2024. So this is my password, Samuel 2024. Second one, they ask me, they will ask you again to repeat the same password you typed first, because when you are typing password, you need to type it first, then secondly, you confirm so that they will know the consistency in the password. The second password is I have to repeat what I typed up there, which is Samuel 2024. After typing Samuel 2024, this place also you check. This one I'm sharing with you because this account will be deleted afterwards. So Samuel 2024, Samuel 2024. Then I click on this orange button, which is envoyer. When I click on envoyer, they said that my password has been collectively be set. So Google is asking me whether I want to save your password or not. So that's not my cup of tea. So I will not save it. Then after that, I click on this button, trying to connect to the platform. So when I want to connect to the platform, I type in my ID details, which is 0193 Q. Then they would ask me for my password. My password, as we said, was Samuel 2024. Each and every one of you will have his own respective password. I type 2023, so change 2024. Then I click on this button, say connected. So you will see that immediately I'm connected to the website. So this shows that I'm connected to the website with my details. So when you see this, it's Jane X, which means JC Samuel. So when I click on it, you will see my name, JC Samuel Kobina, with my details. So I close this thing. Then when you come here, Akei, which is home page. This one is mon profile. That means your profile, which have some basic details that you type. Secondly, there's another place they have given you to that you can use it to contact them. If you have any particular thing you want to say to them, you can just click on this button here, Nouvelle Conversation. You click on this, you'll be able to type your messages and send it to them. But the one of the places which is very crucial, very important in this thing is inscription UM6P. Inscription UM6P. When you click on inscription UM6P, you then get a chance to type in your login detail, type in your personal details. So when you come here, the page, as I always say, that is by default displayed in French, but you need it in English. So you click on the British flag. So when I click on the British flag, there's certain information like my first name and my last name will already be filled out because that's what I used when I was creating the account. And then you have the option to really fill in your details as you want. After filling in your details, you click on save. And this, when you click on the save, there's something which pops up, which is saying that the forms has been saved. It's in French, but it's not an error message. It's just meaning that the forms has been saved. After that, you close it. You click on this fermé, it will close. So you'll be having a lot of pages to fill, something like tutor information, which is basically mean it's asking you to type your parent, one of your parent information. That means your principal guardian, which can be your father or your mother. After using all these things, you go to the next page. The next page, they will ask you to choose. Since I selected masters, if I want to change it to undergraduate, I can change it here. Or maybe when I was making the application, maybe I chose undergraduate, but later I realized that that was a mistake. I have to change it to masters. I can change it to masters. So, for example, it's because it's masters is automatically selected here. Since I did that when I was making the application, you will see that the masters courses are displayed here, and most of us are looking for courses taught in English. So the courses taught in English have already been listed here. We have Masters in International Management, Masters in Agribusiness Innovation, Masters in Collective Intelligence, a very good course, Masters in Collective Intelligence. And there is Master's degree in Financial Engineering. So any one of them, you choose them, and you have the option to choose up to 3 courses. You have the option to select to 3 courses. Select up to 3 courses. So this for the Masters. Imagine that I want to do undergraduate. I click on this and I choose postback. You realize that the courses has already changed. because in the masters there's no medicine there, but undergraduate there is medicine there, and you can choose up to 3 courses. For example, I can check up to 3 courses. I can check up to 3 courses. If you cannot speak French, choose the courses which have into bracket 100% English. If you have any question, ask it in the group, which is UM6P applicant, or ask it in the comment section in this video. This will be posted on various YouTube channels and various platforms. So you choose up to the number of courses you want. After choosing up to the number of courses you want, you save it, which they will always bring this alert that the forms has been saved. Then you click on this one, which means close, fermé. Then you go to next. So after you doing this, they also ask you about your grading scale, which are basic information we have already responded to in the WhatsApp group. After that, most of you will try to click on submit. When you click on submit, they will tell you, when you click on submit, they will tell you you cannot submit your document because there are some fields which are not being filled. That's true. After doing that, most of you have filled everything. They will still tell you that, oh, there are places which you have not yet done, which is the annex. So you come to annex UM6P. In the annex UM6P, that is where you upload all your documents in this. For example, in the annex UM6P for undergraduate students, they will tell you to upload an ID photo, upload your Ghana card or whatever card, the identity card you have, upload your recommendation letter, then upload the 2 recommendation letters that they need. After doing that, you are done. And after doing all that you are supposed to do, you come back to inscription UM6P or inscription UM6P. I tend to mix French with English. So inscription UM6P. When you come to inscription UM6P, there's always the submit button down here. That means after going to the last page, you have the opportunity to see the submit button. You have the opportunity to see the submit button, which is going next, next, next. Then after that, you click on submit. If you have really filled all the places, you will see the submit button. So this is a gist of for the application platform, creating an account, resetting your password for the first time, then accessing that account. Then when you access the account, where you should go to fill in your details, and after filling in your details, where you should go to upload the supporting document. Thank you. And if you have any questions, just put it in the comment section or just address it in the group, and we'll make video to respond to the various requests or the various problems people may be facing. Thank you. And we are hoping to see most of you here in UM6P in Morocco. Good luck for your applications.